Hi everyone, I'm here at closeoutexplosion.com. Hope you're doing really well. I want to show you some of the brand name dresses that I currently have in stock. I will be receiving more dresses as well. I'd like you to see these styles. They're beautiful, beautiful styles. They're mostly by R&M Richards and Nightway. You have sizes here from 6 all the way to size 20. This dress, for instance, is a size 12. I'm packing the orders with a variety of different brands, different styles, different colors, and different sizes. Here's a two-piece R&M Richards dress, size 10. Size 12. Here we have a sleeveless dress, size 8. These dresses can have original retail values of up to $250, depending on the dress. Here's a short dress, size 9, color black red, and it is a Morgan & Company dress. This is a Laura and Adams dress, size 8. See the flower embroidery on it. This dress is size 8. Some smaller sizes as well. Here we have a size 6 dress. It is a long sleeve dress. It is light material, so it is good for warm climates. Here's a short dress by Morgan & Company. And it is size 7. Here we have a size 6 dress. This sleeveless dress is size 6. I'd like to take a look at the dresses in this pile as well. Here's an off-the-shoulder evening dress by R&M Richards, size 10. This is an elegant evening dress. Now we have a size 12 dress by R&M Richards, sleeveless dress with sequins. The front of the dress has a bow. Next we have a size 8 dress, short sleeves with a buckle. This dress is the same style as the one that I previously showed you. Now we have a size 16, 16W dress, two-piece dress, dress with a long sleeve light jacket on the top. It has a belt, as you can see. This dress is size 22W, so there is one bigger size than I realized. Okay, we have a short party dress, size 10, color pink with sequins. The back is open, as you can see. And your size, this dress is size 6. It says here made in the USA, it's color red, R&M Richards. This dress here is by London Times Women, size 20W. I believe this size is size 10. Here we have a size 8 dress by R&M Richards. I also have additional videos of the dresses and pictures. If you'd like to see them, let me know. This dress is size 18W. Dress is color black, size 8. This dress is size 12. Color plum, Taupe. Dress is size 10. Here's a size 12 inside the box. So I've showed you the majority of the dresses in this video. There are a few dresses I didn't show you, only because they're at the bottom of the pile, but they're very similar to the dresses that I did show you. This dress is here, size 10. Here's a dress size 16, color black. And the last dress over here is also size 16, color black with sequins. Okay, if you have any questions or comments, please let me know. And I'm very happy to do business with you. My cell phone WhatsApp number is 1917-913-6093. Thank you so much for watching, I ship throughout the United States. I ship internationally as well. And I'm looking forward to doing business with you. Have a great day.